In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another team email address in Gmail. This is really useful if you manage a shared inbox like support or info, or if you simply want to send emails from another professional address without constantly logging in and out of multiple accounts. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to access and use that additional email right from your main Gmail interface. First, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're logged into the account where you want to add the team email. At the top right corner of the screen, look for the gear icon, which represents settings. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This opens a quick settings panel, but for what we're doing, we need the full settings view. In that quick settings panel, find and click on the option that says See All Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where you have multiple tabs across the top, such as General, Labels, Inbox, and so on. From these tabs, locate the one labeled Accounts and Import, and click on it. This section controls how you sign in and how you send mail, including adding other email addresses that you can send from within Gmail. On this Accounts and Import page, look for the area related to sending mail as another address. Here, you'll see an option that says something like Add Email Address. Click on that. This will open a small window where you'll start the process of adding the team address you want to use. In that window, you'll see an option that mentions adding another account. Click on Add Another Account. At this point, Gmail is going to guide you through Google's standard sign-in or connection process for that additional email. This could be another Google account, or it might be a different provider, depending on how your team email is set up. Now simply follow the on-screen prompts. You'll typically be asked for the email address you want to add, and then, depending on your setup, you may need to sign in, confirm access, or approve permissions. Carefully read each screen and make sure you have the correct login details ready if needed. Once you finish those prompts, Gmail will link that team address to your main account. From then on, when you compose a new email, you'll be able to choose that team email in the From dropdown and send messages as that address, all from your primary Gmail inbox.